So that was a few. Well, for me it was. Because I probably won't release them. I don't know. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Let's play. Great song. Great song. She Talks to Angels, Black Crowes. It's what I call it. It's my rendition of my rendition on guitar. So the way I play guitar isn't exactly the same way as the song originally goes. And then taking that, going to the Merlin, the way I play on Merlin isn't quite the same way as I play on guitar, which wasn't quite exactly the same way the Black Crowes did it. So we'll call it the Merlin rendition, as close as we can get. So there's quite a bit in the intro here. So I'll start off. Let's see if we can see. So we start, slide up to the third, hit open. When I say hit open on the high D string. So that's the first part of the intro. Do that twice. So after the second time, you have to hit harmonics, which I've never covered on on the Merlin before. So on guitar, your harmonics are the 12th, the 7th, and the 5th. On Merlin, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to be on the 7, the 2, 3, 4, and the 3. That's where you're going to find your harmonics. And what that is you barely touch the string, and then as you hit it, you release. So you're doing a full all strings harmonic. So you're doing it on the 7th and on the 4th. So the intro again. That's the next part. So it's an open D. And I'm just on a low string, just the 1st fret. Now, you could, if you wanted to, use a G chord there. I think it sounds better with just that 1st fret, so that's the way I've been playing it. So you go from the harmonics. Then we got the next part of the intro, which is... Oh, sorry. So after every part now you're going to do that. So it's a slide up. And it's just 3 pull-offs. And then the last part of the intro is kind of like the first part, but just different strumming. So it's after every note you hit the note underneath it. So the full intro. I already screwed up. And that's where the verse starts. So it's like call and response again. They sing, you answer with the guitar. I don't even know the words for this song anymore. But they do the line and then you do... They sing a line and then you do... They sing another line and then you do... And that's all the same as that first one I showed you. It's just a D, 1st fret, so that's the whole verse. It's either, I think it's two 2 verses, so you do 8 times, and then the chorus. The chorus on the last ones of that you do on the verse, you just keep strumming. So it's the chorus starts in the A to the G. Do that twice for the first chorus. After that, it repeats a bunch of times at the end, and then you go back to the verse. Now, this is the part where I usually say in all my other videos. Maybe there's a bridge, I don't know, I can't remember. I didn't look, I should have looked. Well, this time I did look. I did figure out what the bridge is. And the bridge is the exact same chords as the chorus, same way, same order as the chorus, except a different strumming pattern. Not strumming, but different length you hold them. So it's your A and your G and your D again, and it's low G on everything. So, but for the bridge, sorry, I gotta get into it now. So you just play the chords a lot shorter of a length of a time on the A and the G. As where the chorus is. So let's play it from the beginning. I will do intro, verse, chorus, bridge, with some kind of transition between the chorus and the bridge. That part I didn't look up. See, I'm still slacking. Anyways. If you missed the harmonic, just keep playing. Don't do what I just did and stop. That's it. That's it. And then from there you can figure out how many verses, how many choruses. Like always, I never tell you that because I'm lazy. It's pretty much what it comes down to. I'm just lazy. But right now I'm hungry too, so it's a better excuse. So that's it for me today. That's it for this weekend. Let's see what I work out for next weekend. And have fun. Enjoy. Hope you like I said before, I'm amazed you guys watch my videos. I think I'm up to like 8,000 overall views, 2 dislikes, 90 some subscribers. It's shocking to me, it really is. I think I'm probably getting close to 70,000 views on the Google Plus. It's just nuts. But I'm glad you guys like them. So, and this video is long enough now, so I'm gonna let it go, and we'll talk to you guys next time.